Alright, so this shit's set up. Bebo's here. He helped me. Here we go. Stream Deck. Bebo, get out of here. God. Stream Deck. First things first. Clearly, we're going to hit the Jeff Goldblum button. Then we're going to hit OBS, Discord, and Twitch. Loaded all of it up, and then you can switch between scenes. And then BRB screen. And go back to that. And you can record clips, ads, all this other shit. Mute Discord, view my viewers. And then obviously if you go into here, this is where these great clips.
That is one big pile of shit.
Hold on to your butts.
So you two dig up dinosaurs?
Hold on to your butts.
That is one big pile of shit.
Perfect. Totally worth it.
That is one big pile of shit.
Hold on to your butts.